Hello everyone, welcome to Hedge and Haven. Imagine this. You're saving up for your dream home. A cozy house with a white picket fence, a backyard for your kids, the American dream. But here's the twist. Hedge funds, those Wall Street giants, are swooping in and buying up entire neighborhoods faster than you can say mortgage. In 2025, this isn't just a trend, it's a crisis. Welcome to Hedge and Heaven, where we decode the future of wealth, AI, and luxury. Today, we're diving into a billion-dollar question. Are hedge funds killing the American dream? Stick around, because the truth might shock you. Let's set the stage. Hedge funds and private equity firms have been buying up single-family homes at an alarming rate. Back in October 2024, Politico reported that both U.S. presidential candidates, Kamala Harris and J.D. Vance, wanted to stop this. Why? Because these Wall Street titans are turning homes into investment portfolios. In 2023 alone, institutional investors bought over 20% of single-family homes in some U.S. markets. Think Atlanta, Phoenix, and Charlotte. They're paying cash, outbidding families by 10 to 15%, and turning these homes into rentals. For the average American, this means one thing. The dream of homeownership is slipping away. A recent study showed that 60% of millennials believe they'll never own a home. And with hedge funds in the game, that number might just keep climbing. Now you might be wondering, how are hedge funds doing this so fast? Here's where Hedge and Heaven's favorite topic comes in, AI. These funds aren't just throwing money around. They're using artificial intelligence to dominate the market. AI algorithms scan millions of data points, property prices, neighborhood trends, even your social media posts, to predict which homes will skyrocket in value. Companies like Blackstone and Invitation Homes are using this tech to buy up entire subdivisions before they even hit the market. In 2024, one hedge fund flipped a $25 million portfolio of homes in just 6 months, thanks to AI-driven insights. And here's the kicker. With Trump's $2 billion U.S. sovereign wealth fund plan in 2025, these funds might get even more cash to play with. Is this the future of real estate or a nightmare for families? But it's not just suburban homes. Hedge funds are also going after luxury real estate. And this is where Hedge and Heaven's audience will perk up. In Miami, hedge fund managers are buying $50 million penthouses on Fisher Island, not to live in, but to flip for profit. Why Miami? No state income tax. Florida's a tax haven for the ultra-rich. Business Insider reported back in 2019 that NYC hedge fund billionaires were moving south, and that trends only grown in 2025. These luxury properties aren't just homes. They're status symbols, investments that can double in value overnight. But while hedge funds cash in, regular families are priced out. A starter home in Miami now costs $600,000, up 30% since 2020. So while the elite sip champagne in their penthouses, the American dream is turning into a luxury rental nightmare. Let's talk taxes, because this is where it gets even messier. Hedge funds aren't just buying homes. They're exploiting tax loopholes to maximize profits. In 2023, CNBC exposed how billionaires use private jets and shell companies to dodge taxes. And the same tricks apply here. When a hedge fund buys a $2 million home, they often write off the purchase as a business expense, slashing their tax bill. Meanwhile, the average American family pays 30% of their income in taxes, struggling to save for a down payment. And with Trump's SWF plan, there's talk of using federal land worth $2 trillion to fund these investments. If that happens, guess who'll foot the bill? You, the taxpayer. It's a vicious cycle. Hedge funds get richer, families get priced out, and the government picks up the tab. Now let's get real. This isn't just about numbers. It's about people. Imagine a young couple working 2 jobs, dreaming of a home to call their own. They find the perfect house, but a hedge fund swoops in with a cash offer 20% above asking price. That couple's dream? Shattered. In 2024, a viral TikTok showed a family crying after losing their dream home to an investor they'd saved for 10 years. Stories like this are everywhere, and they hit hard. The American dream isn't just a house. It's stability, security, a place to build memories. But when hedge funds turn homes into commodities, what's left for the rest of us? Is this the end of the dream? or can we fight back? So what's next? Here's where Hedge and Heaven looks to the future, 2025 and beyond. Trump's $2 billion sovereign wealth fund could pour fuel on this fire, giving hedge funds even more cash to buy up homes. But there's a flip side. AI could also be the solution. Imagine if AI tools were used to help families find affordable homes, predicting price drops, identifying hidden gems, even negotiating with sellers. Some startups are already doing this, and they're gaining traction. Plus, if the government cracks down, like Harris and Vance proposed, hedge funds might be forced to back off. The American dream isn't dead yet, but it's on life support. The question is, will we let Wall Street win, or will we take back what's ours? That's it for today's deep dive. Hedge and Heaven, unlocking the future of wealth, one shocking truth at a time. What do you think? Is the American dream over, or can we save it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. Want to know how AI and luxury real estate are shaping 2025? Check out our latest short in the description. It's a wild ride, Hedge and Heaven, where wealth meets the future. See you next time.